Hi, good morning, grade 4. This is Mr. Al again. And actually, today we are going to learn about Pablo Picasso in 1937. Yes, actually, I don't really know him, but actually, some lot of artists knows that there is a lot of famous uh, painters or famous artists in the world. One of them is Pablo Picasso. But to support my knowledge and to support our lesson today, I will need your help to compile the data or to compile the information as much as you can about Pablo Picasso. All right. On the screen, as you can see, that this one is one of the best artwork from Pablo Picasso. Maybe you can find the title. What is this? What is the title of this picture? And then some of them, maybe some of the painters or some of the artists trying to adopt the concept and then trying to create another another version of Pablo Picasso's drawing or painting like this. As you can see that this painting looks so unique because you will draw one face uh, with a different shape on the left and the right behind that. As you can see on this, for example, this picture, you can see that this face have two faces. The first one maybe looks smiling and maybe the other one will look so odd or look so weird. But actually that is the main idea how Pablo Picasso try to express his experience, his thought about somebody or some faces. Right now, before we draw or before we paint this kind of technique like Pablo Picasso did, I need your help to find a lot of information about Pablo Picasso, and then I want you to compile the information and make it as a Google slide presentation so that later we can share your information, your files to another person, maybe to another student outside there, so that we can learn each other. So like this. This one is one of the example of how Ernesto compiling the information about Leonardo da Vinci, and why that I choose slide from Ernesto is because Ernesto has creating a very stunning presentation. He's also including the word and then the picture like this, and then until the last part of the presentation, and it looks so stunning for me because he's using his a lot of his effort to compile all the information in just doing some small investigation about Leonardo da Vinci, and then suddenly he create everything. He put all the information slide by slide so it can be watched later on if we have the meeting later on inside the classroom. So grade 4, I need your help, okay, to find as much as information that you can about Pablo Picasso. Maybe minimum is 10 information and maximum is about 15 information. Okay, the information is about the fact that Pablo Picasso had. For example, like one when that the Pablo Picasso's born, and then when he died and what's happened with him in term of running his life, and what's happened in that era, or what's happened with him. Do I mean did he create something stunning to his own life, or did he can solve many problems in terms of becoming an artist, and something that maybe hiding in the information that maybe you can share with me, with us, with everybody later in the grade 4 classroom. So once again, I need your help to compile the information. If you don't really understand about the instruction, you can start to read the instruction in the Google Classroom. Okay, in the Google Classroom I put a lot of instruction there. The rest you have to be more you have to modify, you have to use your improvisation to make your presentations more better than me or than the other students. Okay, I need help now to find the data in the internet. You can copy paste, you can copy the picture and put it in the slide, and then to support your information and something like that. And don't forget to submit your presentations right away, so you will not having a lot of things to do later on. Okay, then good luck for you guys, and if you have any question, don't forget to click the meeting uh, link so that we can discuss together later on. All right, good luck for you, and I will wait for your presentation. Bye bye.